Hello everyone, today we are bringing you a recipe that's going to add an explosion of flavor to your taste buds. The smoky flavor of tikka combined with the spicy richness of biryani, a combo that's truly a flavor bomb. So let's begin this spicy journey where every bite is packed with taste and delight. Whether it's a special occasion or weekend treat, this tikka biryani is sure to win everyone's heart. So turn on the stove, grab your wok and let's make this irresistible tikka biryani. To start with, we will take some boneless chicken. Here I have about 500 grams of chicken, which I have washed thoroughly with water 2 to 3 times. Now based on the chicken quantity, we will start adding all the spices. So let's begin marinating the chicken first. We will add 2 tablespoons of oil, half a lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, puree of 1 tomato, half a cup of yogurt, and for the dry spices we will add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon tikka masala, salt as per taste and half a tablespoon of cumin powder. We will also add half a teaspoon of red food color to make the tikka look more tempting. Finally add a handful of finely chopped mint leaves. Mix everything really well so that every piece of chicken is coated with flavor. Now that the chicken has soaked up all those spices, it's time to give it that signature smoky touch, the one that takes biryani to the next level. Place a small bowl on top of the marinated chicken. Inside the bowl, place a piece of coal that has been heated directly on the flame until red hot. Pour half a tablespoon of ghee over the hot coal, and as soon as it starts to smoke, cover the bowl immediately. This allows the smoke to infuse every piece of chicken, giving our biryani a rich smoky restaurant style touch. Let the chicken rest like this for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now that it's been an hour, we will move on to cooking the chicken. Take a separate pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add the marinated chicken. Stir it little and then cover it. Let it cook on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes on one side. Keep checking and flipping it in between so it doesn't stick to the bottom. After 15 to 20 minutes, flip the chicken and let the other side cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, the chicken has released some water during the cooking, which is now evaporating and drying up. Cook it covered until it's all dry. Once the chicken is cooked well, soft and all the moisture has dried up, set it aside. Now we will prepare the gravy for tikka biryani. Take another pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once slightly hot, add about 1 cup of fried onion. Next add 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, salt to taste, half a tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon homemade garam masala, 2 tablespoons tikka masala, 1 tablespoon chicken masala, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Mix well and cook everything on low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to avoid burning. Once all the water from the tomatoes is evaporated and the spices are fully cooked, add the cooked chicken pieces to the gravy. Mix everything nicely and set it aside. Now let's make the rice for our biryani. For 500 grams of chicken, I have taken 400 grams of basmati rice. I soaked them in water for about 30 minutes and then drained them. In a separate large pot, I have already started boiling 2 liters of water. Once it starts boiling, Add salt as per the rice quantity. 2 tablespoons of oil to save the rice from sticking. 2 to 3 lemon slices, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon sazira, 15 to 20 mint leaves, 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1 piece of cinnamon stick. Now add the soaked rice to the boiling water. Stir gently and boil for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the rice is 80% cooked. Once done, strain the rice and discard the hot water. Now let's layer our biryani. In a deep pan, start with the chicken masala at the bottom. On the top of it, add 2 to 3 lemon slices, 3 to 4 green chilies, some chopped coriander, and a bit of fried onions. Now layer the boiled rice on top of the chicken. If your rice seems a little too soft after draining, you can quickly rinse it with cold water. This helps prevent it from sticking and keeps it fluffy. Once all the rice is added, sprinkle some red food color on top. No fixed amount, just enough to give a beautiful color contrast. Top it off with more fried onions and chopped coriander for freshness and vibrant finish. Now cover the pan with a tight lid so all those flavors, aromas and smoky tikka goodness can blend perfectly in the rice. Let it cook on low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. This way every grain of rice soaks in the flavor and your kitchen will smell like a biryani heaven. Finally remove the lid and get ready to enjoy this tasty, smoky, spicy tikka biryani. Serve it with raita and see how every bite gives you a burst of flavor and a moment of pure joy. So there you have it, our desi style smoky, juicy and masaledar tikka biryani. With the richness of tikka, perfect layering of biryani and touch of love in every bite. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow biryani lovers and stay tuned for more delicious recipes. See you in the next flavor journey. Until then, happy cooking!